Hello and welcome to Shopify Express. Today we will see that how you can increase your YouTube videos views. We are using TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is the best tool ever we have, like, in order to get all the things done, like more views, more traffic, more earning, everything you can understand. So here we will start from here. You have to install an extension in your Chrome. So once you're on your YouTube, you'll see this thing here. So from here, you see we have a lot of options. Like there are some free options that are very basic and must-have options for every YouTuber. You can try this with free one by clicking and installing through the link provided in the description. So you guys have the free version with most of the features that help to boost up your views. So here you see we have option of keyword explorer. How this helps, like if you are going to launch this from here, you see that if we are going to, you can type any keywords like 3 to 4 words that you think that help to get traffic related to your channel. So I will write here USA in trouble. So here you see I will explore this keyword. So it's saying this keyword is very poor regarding search and everything. Why is that? Search volume is excellent, like there is huge search volume, like number of videos in search results are like 41.9 million videos with this keyword in it. And you can see the competition is very poor, like in terms of like there is no chance of getting into this keyword because there is very poor competition score. It's showing here, but optimization strength is showing excellent. So just like this, we will be going to have another thing. We'll go with other features what we get on here, like in results. If we select this, you see options like the videos with these keywords they are showing here. Is Team USA in trouble? This video is going up. Why is American democracy in trouble? Showing. Okay, these all the videos with the keywords in it is showing that videos here. So how we can get help from any keyword? Just like I will say here, how to increase YouTube views. So once I write this, it will load and it's saying this is 70%. Like this is a little bit good from the previous search we did. And here on the right side it's giving us suggestion like how to increase YouTube views and subscribers. We'll check this one. Oh, there is also fair, you can call it like something. This is fair, sorry, poor. So in here you can optimize it in SEO Studio from here. Okay, it will show you something regarding the videos like this, like here, how to increase YouTube views and subscribers in your title, and then you will have it in your description, and after then it's saying include the targeted keyword naturally in the title, not just like the same as it is. So how to increase our YouTube views and our channel, our YouTube channel subscribers. So it will be fixing Okay, here we will also write like learn, so it will not be just like same. We want to fix this one. Okay, so how to increase YouTube views, we will make this as our one keyword. So we will be writing above this one just like this, the same keyword, right? So how to increase YouTube views, full tutorial. We just want to okay, we should have 200 the best tutorial ever made. So now we'll see if any of this is why, because we have only 75 here, so we will make it, just make it 200 or something. Okay, so include your target keyword naturally in the title. Okay, we can't get over 2, but you can make it 100. I've seen that. Just like from here, let me add one. I will add this thing in here. Instead of this, views in 2022. Okay, we'll moving to a second step here. So here are the tag suggestions. It's already giving suggestions with relevance, the most relevant suggestions. So if you click on relevance, you can add all these tags in just one click, right? So you don't have to worry about like thinking about tags. It will give you automatic the premium tags for your video. So once you have all the tags, all the titles, everything right, then you will move for thumbnail. It will show you that how you can make beautiful thumbnails for your videos, and just like the one from here, and then click on apply to video. Then once you save it, then you can do it from from here. After logging into your YouTube studio and then going to content, edit the same video you are working on, so you can easily publish that with that keywords and everything in it. So then next we have video topic planner here. It was everything, like here. If you are again going to search any keyword, just like YouTube, just click on it. It will give you all the, it's giving a poor, but here trends data. You can call on YouTube creators keyword. This one is 16 score. YouTube creators channel keyword, like this is 14. Like you can just video topics, and then you can search by writing different keywords, different results, by going from different techniques. I showed you the same techniques will be used, and you can also have tag list, best time to publish, click magnet, and other features that will help boost your YouTube views. And yes, if you are looking for more views on your videos, you must have this TubeBuddy. Just go in the link in the description. Install free TubeBuddy with all these features free. I use and getting my views up for my YouTube videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.